Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a cute little shoe for a baby boy. So I am using my 4.5 mm 4 mm needle and yarn. It's brown color, light brown camel. So let's start our work. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, I will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now skip 2 and in the third one make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now double crochet for 3 times in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now make 6 double crochet in the last chain. 1, 2. Now I did my 6 double crochet in the last chain here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochet in the remaining stitches, and in the last one, this one, I will make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. In the third chain, 1, 2 and this one is third, make slip stitch. Now chain 1 and the same stitch make single crochet. In the next make 2 single crochet. In the next 2 single crochet and 3 single crochet in the 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 2 half double crochet in the next 2. 1, 2. Now make half double crochet in the 8 stitch half double crochet in the 8 stitches 2 times in each stitch. 1, 2, 1 and 2. So make 2 half double crochet in 8 stitches. Now 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. 3 single crochet, 2 and 3. Now make 2 single crochet in the next 3 stitches like this, and make in the first chain. So this is my sole is ready. Cut the yarn and we will join gray color. So make chain 1 and make half double crochet into the next chain from the from the back post like this. Okay, this is my first half double crochet back post. See, this is back post. So make it all over till to the end. Now I finished my first row. So again I will chain 1 and make it will look like this from the back side. So chain 1 and make half double crochet into the all stitches till to the end. One time more you will do half double crochet till to the end. Now I finished my second half double crochet all over. So chain 1 and make half double crochet for 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11 times. So I have complete my 11 stitches. Now I'll make decrease. So first in 2 stitches I will make half double crochet decrease, in the next 2 half double crochet. Now in the 4 stitches I will make double crochet decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again half double crochet decrease in the next 2, in the next half double crochet decrease. Now make half double crochet for 11 times to the end. Sorry. Now I made a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and skip 1 in the second one, make half double crochet. Sorry, single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1 and half double crochet for 10 times. 1, 1, 2, 3, 10 times. Sorry, I made 9 half double crochet. Now make decrease, half double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make half double crochet till to the end. Now my last turn for decreasing, last around for decrease. So make chain 1 and half double crochet into the stitches. When we reach to the decrease point, I will tell you what to do. Now this is now decrease half double crochet into the and half double crochet, no decrease, only half double crochet in the next and half double crochet decrease into the next and half double crochet into the remaining stitches till to the end. Now make 2 chain 2 1 2 and make double crochet into the next stitches all over till to the end. Double crochet, this is double crochet. Okay, now do it till to the end. Now I finished my double crochet, so chain 2 and this is the first double crochet. So in the next I will make front post double crochet, and in the next this one I'll make in the stitch double crochet. In the next, skip this one is the double crochet in the stitch. Now make front post into the next double crochet. This is the next double crochet. In the stitch I will make double crochet. In the next I will make front post double crochet. So do it till to the end. Now I did my all front post double crochet. Now again chain 2 and this is my first double crochet and this is my front post. So I will do front post in the next, and in the next in stitch double crochet, in the next the front post I'll make again front post, and in the next I will make double crochet into the stitch. So make it 1 2 3 for 3 times. Make it. Now I made for 3 times. Now chain 1 and make single crochet into all stitches, single crochet in all stitches. Now this is my cute little shoe for baby boy and can be used for baby girl too. See, from the back side, from the front. Now I will make a what will we call it, chain 20 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, I chain for 60 chain. Okay, now I will insert from the first position, front, sorry, what I am saying. Now do it to the other side. This is my, no, it is not front. Okay, now see, cute little shoe, my cute. Now see, This is my cute little shoe for a baby boy and a baby girl. I hope you will like it. I will see you in next tutorial inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.